Alright guys, I've got a whale on. It's I believe a 1/8 ounce jig head. I don't know, could be a little larger. But we're just fishing a little bit bigger swim bait today. I really want a bigger pickerel. Cover my neck up. I've got sunblock on everywhere else. Here we go. Did have a hit right off the bat. Didn't seem large. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. Let's keep him pegged. Let's keep him pegged. Oh yeah. Guys, nice pickerel to start the day. Really nice hook set. Nice. All right, big man, calm it down and I'll release you. Great hook set. Look at that pickerel. Nice fish. Really cool color. He's got like this pink kind of coloring going on. Great fish. All right, big man. We shall see you later. There he goes. Boom, he's right under that pile, right back to his aggressiveness. Awesome, guys. That's exactly what I was looking for. Some kind of, whoa, that's a cool bird. Hey, buddy. I'd like to get maybe one more pickerel or a little bass or something. Little bass. A couple of them right here. Let's see if the bigger one comes with them. With these little ones, there's gotta be a smaller one, you know? Or a bigger one. But mostly just baby bass. It's kind of wild. This is a nice little area here for pickerel. Kind of wonder if something will pop out. Got one. All right. Nice little largie. Baby largie. Baby largie. Barely hooked him. Barely hooked you, bud. What's going on with you? Can I hold you? Let's take a look at him real quick. A little bit of sun right here. Hey, little baby largie. Another multi-species day. We'll see you, bud. Guy was aggressive for a little dude. Really love some canal fishing. One of my favorite things to do. Got one. Pickerel number 2. He's off. Almost took my eye out. Thank you very much. All right, dude. We'll see you later. Boom. That's another one. I like that these guys just take themselves off the hook for me. He's slimy though. All right, dude, another one. We'll see ya. gotten into anything yet. This looks like a great little spot. Got one. This is a nice one too. I think he engulfed it. All right. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. All right. Nice colors. We'll see you, bud. Hate flipping you like that, but yeah, he's fine. Pretty hardy fish. Oh, yes. 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 It's a really nice one. Oh, stay on. Oh, yes. That's what I'm looking for, baby. Yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish. Look at that. Look at that fish. Boom. Boom. Great fish. All right. Good colorings, good fight. Not that big one I was seeing the other day, but we'll see you, bud. Boom, he's off. That's it. Oh, yes, yes. This is a good one. Nice. Stay on. Oh, yes. Two good ones now. This one's a little longer. I'm so glad I came to this section. Such a nice fish. Look at that. Look at that guy. Nice. All right, two in just a few minutes. Definitely a chain pickerel. See you, bud. Glad I landed you aerodynamically. Great catch. Let's see, yeah, we're still good, guys. That was the one that popped out of that spot, so really hoping there's a few more over here. And we're going with the party minnow, since I'm seeing a lot of minnows. We'll work up the left side of this bank here. Come on, get that off. There he is. Nice. One of these times this is going to be a little pike or something. But yeah, a little pickerel. I'll see you, bud. Let's see. Got one. Got one. All right. Looks like a nice one too. Oh yeah. Man, he's aggressive. Oh. Stay away from that. Wow. Look at that guy. Nice. Nice. Guys, I'll put my rod up here and take a look. Great fish. Great fish. Look at that guy. Really nice. Gonna get a good release on him. Thanks so much, bud. We appreciate you. Ready? Great fish.